The 2026 Trackley camper is imagined as a next-generation travel companion designed to merge the independence of a mobile home with the advanced engineering of modern electric and hybrid vehicles, creating a single unit capable of driving, living, and exploring with equal confidence. Built with the expectations of future camper van travelers in mind, it would feature a strong and stable chassis tailored for long-distance journeys and mixed terrain while keeping comfort at the forefront due to its dual role as both a transport vehicle and a living space. The exterior would have smooth aerodynamic lines to improve efficiency, combined with protective cladding, weather-resistant seals, and corrosion-resistant materials that help the vehicle withstand varying climates and road conditions. Large windows, roof vents, a potential skylight, and breathable interior air channels would work together to create a bright, open atmosphere inside, reducing the cramped sensation often associated with small camper bodies. Its interior would be designed around multifunctional use, likely featuring a convertible seating area that transforms into a sleeping space for 2 adults, built-in storage compartments hidden under benches or along the walls, and a compact but practical kitchenette with a sink, counter space, small fridge, and an electric cooking surface. The materials inside would need to be durable, moisture-resistant, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, ensuring the camper looks fresh even after long-term use. The flooring might use weatherproof vinyl or marine-grade material to stand up to dirt, sand, humidity, and frequent foot traffic. A foldable table or built-in desk surface would support working on the road or enjoying meals indoors during poor weather conditions, making the space feel like a micro-apartment designed around mobility. Power and energy systems would be at the core of the 2026 Trackley camper's identity, with a modern lithium-based battery system supplying energy for both driving and interior living. The main drive battery, if based on current electric van trends, could offer a realistic range of around 200 to 300 kilometers per full charge, depending on terrain, load, and weather conditions. This would allow travelers to take meaningful trips while still planning charging stops strategically. The vehicle would likely support fast charging that can bring the battery to around 80% capacity in under an hour at a high-speed station, while slower AC charging at home or at camp hookups would take longer but offer convenience for overnight stays. A separate leisure battery system would power the interior features such as lights, fans, refrigeration, and small appliances, and integrated solar panels on the roof or portable solar mats would help extend off-grid capability by recharging the leisure battery during daylight hours. An inverter system would allow standard household-style outlets inside the cabin, giving users the flexibility to run laptops, small appliances, or entertainment devices without needing external power sources. This focus on energy flexibility would enhance the camper's ability to support remote living, allowing users to stay in scenic locations without relying on campsites or power hookups. Performance expectations for a camper of this type would focus on stability, smoothness, and reliability rather than speed, although an electric drivetrain could still deliver surprising torque and horsepower in the 150 to 250 horsepower range, depending on the chosen configuration. The acceleration would be smooth and responsive thanks to the instant torque characteristic of electric motors, making highway merging, city driving, and hill climbs easier even when the vehicle is fully loaded. Handling would be tuned to provide stability under varying load conditions, with weight-balanced suspension and traction control systems helping maintain grip in different driving environments. Regenerative braking would extend range slightly by recapturing energy during deceleration, and advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, lane keeping support, and blind spot monitoring would reduce fatigue, especially during long road trips. Parking assistance and a set of exterior cameras would make maneuvering easier, critical for a taller and longer vehicle like a camper. Safety would naturally be a cornerstone of the design, ensuring that users feel protected on highways, in city traffic, and on remote dirt roads. The living space inside the Trackley camper would aim to combine practicality with comfort through clever space-saving design, allowing travelers to sleep, cook, work, and relax in a single compact environment. Storage would be subtly integrated to use every available centimeter efficiently, keeping gear organized while avoiding clutter. Ventilation systems such as roof fans and air channels would manage moisture, prevent condensation, and maintain comfortable temperatures inside the cabin. For cooler climates, a compact heating system might be included, while durable insulation embedded in the structure would help maintain interior comfort regardless of outdoor weather. The interior lighting would rely on energy-efficient LED fixtures, offering adjustable brightness to create a cozy nighttime environment or a bright workspace during the day. Thoughtful ergonomics would ensure that users can move around, cook meals, or prepare gear without feeling restricted. Because camper vans tend to cost more due to their dual-purpose design, a model like the Trackley camper would likely be positioned in the mid to high price range of the camper van market. The cost would reflect its advanced battery technology, solar integration, interior furnishings, and the engineering required to keep the vehicle efficient, safe, and durable. Buyers of such a vehicle generally look for long-lasting utility, travel freedom, and modern technology rather than bare-bones camping setups, making the higher price worthwhile for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and adventure enthusiasts. As of now, there is no verified information confirming an official release date or even the existence of a production model called the 2026 Trackley camper, meaning that everything described remains a speculative concept based on current industry trends in electric RVs, camper vans, and compact off-grid travel vehicles. Interest in electric RVs is growing rapidly, with many manufacturers exploring ways to increase range, improve battery efficiency, and integrate smarter living features into smaller spaces. If a Trackley camper-type vehicle were to be introduced, development would likely focus on extending range, improving interior space management, optimizing solar energy integration, and balancing weight to maintain stability and energy efficiency. The imagined 2026 Trackley camper stands as a symbol of future travel freedom, blending mobility, comfort, and eco-conscious design into one streamlined vehicle. It caters to explorers who value quiet electric driving, self-sufficient living, and the flexibility to sleep and cook wherever their journey takes them. By combining advanced power systems with efficient interior design, it transforms the idea of road travel into a seamless lifestyle, where drivers can move from city streets to remote trails without losing the comforts of home. If you want, I can also turn this into a full video narration script with pacing, tone, and transitions tailored to your style.